In a village deep in the mountains, there lived a young man named Siddhartha. He grew up in a wise and loving family. Since childhood, Siddhartha had listened to the teachings of Buddha from his wise grandfather. One day, when Siddhartha faced disappointment due to lack of appreciation from his peers, he felt confused and sad. He sought out his grandfather for guidance. His grandfather smiled gently and said, "My grandson, let me share 5 reasons why others may not appreciate you." The first, ignorance. Most people don't appreciate you because they don't fully know who you are. Maybe they don't know the potential and amazing qualities that you possess. Don't despair but show them who you are through your good deeds and attitude. The second, jealousy. Sometimes, lack of appreciation comes from envy of your abilities and successes. Others can feel threatened by your success and happiness. Stay humble and share your happiness with others. The third, personal attitudes. At times, others may be experiencing personal issues that make them less sensitive to the feelings of others, including you. Be understanding and empathetic, because everyone has their own burdens. The fourth, lack of understanding. Buddhism teaches the importance of awareness and understanding of others' feelings and needs. Some people may not have the ability to understand more deeply. Try to speak gently and teach them about these values. And the fifth, past experiences. Some people may have had bad experiences involving others. There may be hidden fears or traumas that cause them to be reluctant to appreciate new people. Be patient and allow time for them to grow in trust. Hearing his grandfather's wise words, Siddhartha pondered and felt enlightenment in his heart. He realized that the lack of appreciation from others was not his problem, but was something he could deal with wisely. From then on, Siddhartha brought this enlightenment into his life. He became a humble and compassionate person, understanding that everyone has their own struggles. Without feeling humiliated, he continued to show kindness and provide inspiration to those in need. Siddhartha's story spread throughout the village, and he became an inspiring example to many. By practicing the Buddhist teachings of the 4 Noble Truths and 8 Paths, he helped others find peace and understand the true value of respect and love. Finally, Siddhartha inspired many to share kindness, overcome jealousy, dispel ignorance, cultivate understanding, and overcome the burden of the past. In doing so, he has given invaluable happiness to others and illuminated every step in their spiritual journey. The story of Siddhartha and the Buddha's teachings on the 5 reasons why others may not appreciate us teaches us much wisdom on how to deal with lack of appreciation in life. Through this story, we are taught to reflect on how we can become a more thoughtful and compassionate person. By understanding and overcoming these 5 reasons, we can establish more harmonious relationships with others and find peace within ourselves. Buddhism teaches the values of wisdom, empathy and patience as the key to earning the respect of others and bringing happiness to our lives. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a few messages in the comments about what you have gotten from this story. See you in the next video.